This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joanne Levy. Brand new 4-bedroom, 2-bath home overlooking beautiful Lake Eustis in a well-established community in Eustis. This brand new home boasts open floor plan with top-notch appliances and features throughout. Built-in coffee bar area or can be used for additional storage and display areas. Master bedroom has a large walk-in closet with shelving already in place and an ensuite master bath with large, enclosed shower. The front bedroom can be used as an office, den or kept as a bedroom. The 2 additional bedrooms are located near the second bathroom. Tile flooring throughout the entire house with granite countertops in the kitchen and bathrooms. Indoor laundry room just off the kitchen that leads out to the 2-car garage. Builder has already established the retaining wall in the front and backyard of this gorgeous home and included additional pavers off the driveway and rear patio area. For more information, review the details below.